Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by opening Stickies. It's built into macOS, so there's no install. Press Command plus space, type Stickies, and hit Enter to launch it fast. Create a new note with Command plus N or File, right arrow new note, and resize the window by dragging a corner. Once done, pick a font and color from the window menu to make the note readable at a glance. You do this now to set up clear, persistent reminders that sit above other windows. Now position and pin your note where you need it. Click and drag the note to a corner, on top of a specific app, or near the menu bar so it's always in view. Open window right arrow float on top to keep the note above other windows. This is why it works as a persistent reminder. Resize the note and adjust opacity from the note menu or style options to avoid blocking content while staying legible. Once arranged, your workflow stays uninterrupted. Finish by saving and organizing. You want your notes preserved. Use File right arrow save as to export a note as TXT or RTF, or keep many colored notes grouped on different screen edges for quick scanning. Once done, lock important content with Edit right arrow lock note if needed. If Stickies fail to appear, relaunch the app, then log out and log back in. That usually restores floating notes. If problems persist, restart Mac OS to clear display state.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.